The International Conference on Uzbekistan's pathway to World Trade Organization accession was organized in cooperation with the Embassy of Korea. The goal is to facilitate knowledge exchange, best practices, and networking among academia, government, and industry representatives. My colleague Gulbahar Abdukarimov will share more details from the conference.
WTO, or World Trade Organization, is an important step forward to each country's economic development. In this regard, University of World Economy and Diplomacy organized a roundtable to discuss Uzbekistan's pathway. Diplomats, government representatives, ambassadors of France, India, Korea, and China all gathered to discuss Uzbekistan's accession to WTO. Uzbekistan's World Trade Organization accession is still ongoing and is among the longest accession negotiations in the history of this organization. We asked Taeho, former chair of the WTO, about why it takes so long to Uzbekistan to join the organization.
WTO accession process is very complex process, so it requires the acceding members to align each trade policies with the WTO rule books, and also it should open its market in exchange for the benefits it will enjoy with regard to the market access for 164 existing members. So it's very much complicated process. That's why it requires the collective work on the part of acceding countries to make it possible.
Former chair highlighted the importance of citizens, their support and willingness to join the organization.
For that matter, actually, the support of Uzbek people to the government's effort is essential. Without the people's support, government cannot make it possible.
We asked Farukh Karabayev, deputy chairman of the Competition Promotion and Consumer Protection Committee of Uzbekistan, about the problems the country is facing on the way to join.
Negotiations are on the way. It cannot be achieved in one day. There are certain bureaucratic activities that need to be done. Secondly, we need to consider national interests before joining the organization as well. We don't have any challenges to join.
There are currently 157 member countries in the WTO, and Uzbekistan applied for membership in 1994. However, Uzbekistan has not yet become a member. The duration of its accession process remains uncertain, and only time will reveal when country will join.